Hi, I'm Therese, and I cannot believe how excited I am about this program. I have lost 10 pounds. I lost that in the 20-day program. I think one of the major things is I completely gave up coffee, which I never thought I would ever be able to do, but it has made a huge difference in my weight loss program and in my personal life, just being a lot calmer. But what really blows me away is that I was able to go through Thanksgiving and Christmas, eat things I wanted to eat, not deprive myself, and I still continued to lose weight. I've actually lost more inches and more weight since Christmas when I've been eating cookies and drinking wine. So I think the power of really changing my metabolism and my hormonal balance in my body, this is just showing me that it is real and it works. And you know, I thought I would have trouble getting through the program, and Dr. Jack really supported me through that. There were a couple times when I really questioned if I would be able to do it, but he walked me through it, and I just stuck with it. I'm so happy I did, and you're nuts if you don't try it. Anybody can do it for 20 days.